Hey y'all, I am back again with another video. It is time for me to wash this afro out. I've had it in for about a week now and it's just time to reset. So, as you can see, I am just making sure I get some water in there. I also put my hair into 4 sections after detangling, which I did off camera. And so now I'm using the Apogee shampoo for damaged hair. I did end up using a lot of it because it pretty much acts as a clarifying shampoo, but it gently clarifies it, so I could pretty much use a lot and not have any problem with dryness or anything. And so I noticed while I was detangling my hair just with water and stuff like that, that I had some like coating on my hair, which is probably like oil and stuff like that. But you know when water and oil mix and it gets like cold, so it was leaving this like white residue on my strands. So I was like, oh, I definitely need to use the clarifying shampoo. No, it wasn't like that. When my hair was in the afro, you couldn't see any white residue. It was only when the water actually touched my hair that it happened. So I was like, yeah, I gotta go get the shampoo ASAP because I really was only gonna use the deep moisture shampoo. So here I am going in and using this shampoo, making sure that I take down each section, get the shampoo in there, get it on my strands, get it on my scalp, and put my hair back into those twists that I have it in. I made sure that while I was doing this, that my hair was detangled at every single step, just to make the process of styling my hair later on easy. So here I am going in, I'm on my third section, making sure that I get everything in there. I'm being very generous with the amount of shampoo that I'm using, which I usually do anyways because I want my hair to be like squeaky clean. But as you can see, I'm just going in there with my hands and making sure that I'm finger detangling. And here I'm just gonna twist it up and get to rinsing my hair out. And here I'm rinsing my hair out still in the twist, making sure I get all the shampoo out before I go in with the deep moisturizing shampoo. So at many points in the video, if you're gonna see me like closing my eyes and stuff like that while I'm rinsing my hair out or anything, it's from all the hair product from my hair while I'm washing my hair that's like seeping onto my face. So with the deep moisture shampoo, I actually use a whole lot of it in my hair, which honestly is really unnecessary because a little does go a long way with it. But I like using a whole lot of it just to put throughout my hair just to make detangling further easier. So here at this step, using the deep moisture shampoo is where I'm gonna start brushing my hair with a paddle brush that has like holes through it. It's actually my favorite brush. I got it at a beauty supply store. It helps me detangle my hair and get very minimal like breakage and shed hairs and stuff like that. But it collects everything. And as you can see, I'm not being rough with my hair or anything. The brush is just gliding through my hair, which I love. I don't know if you guys can see, but at some points, like if you pay attention to the back of my hair, you'll see like the demarcation line from where the new growth is coming in versus where my hair is damaged. There are some like stringy ends and stuff like that, but you can see at the roots it's still pretty thick and curly and the damage just hangs there. Now this deep moisturizing shampoo is extremely moisturizing. Like I said before in one of my videos, you don't have to use a conditioner when you're using the deep moisturizing shampoo. I don't use conditioner all the time when I'm using a deep moisture shampoo, but like I said, people do different things when they do their hair, and I do different things when I do my hair. None of my wash days are ever the same, so this is just one of them. Now, with my hair being in the afro for a week, I actually expected to have a lot more knots and tangles, but I actually didn't. And I believe it's because of the haircut that I got. Because I did get a haircut, I think the week before, just to shaping my hair up into a rounder afro. So, when I was getting my haircut, I was told that the top layer of my hair was really long. So I was like, make it round. So take off whatever you need to take off to make it round because that's the shape that I wanted. I didn't even want my tail anymore. So when it came down to me doing my afro, my pick was going through smoothly. Like, I had no problems. Like, I'm loving every bit of this haircut, every bit of this afro. And it's good too that I got the haircut because it kind of took off some of the damage that I had from, being heat damaged. But it actually, like, it doesn't even look like my hair is heat damaged until I wet it. So, now with all this shampoo in my hair, I noticed that my hair was like so hard to rinse out. Like, it didn't matter how much I squeezed my hair, how much water I let run through it. You can actually see, like, all the shampoo is still coming out, and it took forever to rinse this shampoo out. Now, I don't know if you guys notice it, but my hair looks really rich. Like, my hair color is like a dusty brown. And in these clips, obviously because of the lighting and everything, like it looks black, but my hair has looked a lot fuller than it did before after I got my hair cut. And it's honestly been so amazing. Like, my hair feels thicker. I'm pretty sure it's also because of the shampoo and treatments that I've been using, but my hair feels amazing, y'all. For something that is heat damaged, it feels great. But I'm showing you guys here what I'm working with. And now I'm going to go in with the deep conditioner from Mixed Chicks. I know I showed you guys previously what I'd be using for the winter this year, but I went to the beauty supply store and I made sure to pick up the Mixed Chicks deep conditioner that I've been talking to you guys about. And honestly, it's amazing. It's super, super, super thick. Like, to even get it on my hair was a lot. I did notice I did use a lot of deep conditioner on this just one section. That big glob that I picked out, like, well, scooped out of the jar, honestly could have probably been for my whole head. But I wasn't paying attention. Obviously, I like using a whole lot of product anyways, so it didn't really phase me one bit. But it's actually pretty good. And I left this in my hair for like 15 minutes. So in those 15 minutes, I took a shower and then rinsed my hair out, put it back in like those two twists that you'll see me put in my hair now. And I let my hair air dry, and that was it. As you can see, I had to use some of the deep conditioner from one of the twists to put on the other side of my head because it was way too much. I didn't want it to just sit on my hair. I actually wanted it to penetrate my hair. So I definitely took out the excess and I put it on the other side just to save product. So here I'm just gonna twist up this last section, and after I rinsed out this deep conditioner while still standing under the water, I put my hair into 4 big braids just to let my hair air dry overnight. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I just got off work, so I'm about to finish this video. So this is what I did with my hair after. I just put it in a ponytail and put it in a braid. And honestly, that was about it. Like, all I did was put some grease in my hair, what's called Africa's Best, I believe. And I put some Shine and Jam Braiders Gel just to kind of sleek it down and like tie my hair, and that is all I did. Something simple and easy. I didn't want to do a whole lot. So this is what we're left with. But I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and wait for the next one. Bye.